Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. uMike Makaba bafethu omanager ama-players amaningi seconfirmile ukuthi iplayer lakhe bafethu uKodisang iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns noma ngithi iplayer alimanejayo la lifunwa yiKaizer Chiefs few seasons back. But-ke into eyablock imove yakhe ukuthi abuye eSouth Africa aye kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi iSporting Braga iteam bekayidlalela that time beyifuna imali eningi kakhulu, beyingafuni ukumreleasa nje ngemali encane, so iKaizer Chiefs yaphula off good deal. So wablockeka kanjalo-ke umfana ukuthi angayijoyini iKaizer Chiefs because of beyimfuna ngempela beyingadlali, right? But-ke what I wanna understand mina ukuthi bathi iBraga at the time bathi beveliwa iplayer so high, but ukuthi bathi ngeke lese bamrelease ngemali encane izinto ezinjalo bafowethu. But uma ubheka bekangadlaleli lo iBraga le first team, bekadlalela i-DDC team yeBraga because bekadlalela iBraga B bafethu i-reserve yeBraga. So still bebafuna ama-millions and millions and millions kanjani. And uma uthi uyabheka i-history yakhe laphana kuBraga, he never amounted to anything. Azange kuBraga wadlalela i-A team bafethu. KuBraga he only played for yini le team le yakhona yakuBraga, only played for i-B team yakuBraga, baze bamlona to amanye ama-team wagcina sehambile kuBraga. Yaphela kanjalo i-big valuation yakhe umfana because of kuBraga they valued him high, but-ke ngomlomo nje kuphela because azange bampromote, so yakhulapsa kanjalo-ke. Years later nawu umfana simbona kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke siyazi ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns what happened, azange athole i-game time kakhulu umfana. He even forced i-move yakhe ukuthi bamrelease laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, manje kuloni ethimini yasePortugal bafowethu. Yazi yaphihla-ke ebholeni ziyenzeka, but-ke obviously uMike Makaba naye uqhubekile laphana uku-explain-ile ukuthi ama-transfers awekho lula bafowethu, alula only if iplayer liyi-free agent kuphela. Iplayer mali contracted to i-team, ukunegotiate ne-team it's never easy, especially uma kuza enye i-team abayibonayo ukuthi inkulu bafowethu, obviously abantu bazofuna imadlana ethe xaxa. But-ke yeah, umdlali uzithola angapromothanga laphana kuSporting Braga, wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns, i-frustrating move for yena. Is back laphana ePortugal, sobona ukuthi izinto zizomhambela kanjani. Simfisela inhlanhla umfana. He's still young, well he's not really young, but he's uku-matured age yakhe laphana because of this year una-26, so usasenaso isikhathi laphana ku-professional setup. Mangithi ngiyayibheka i-valuation yakhe bafowethu is just over 1 million euros, meaning that is close to 1.2 million euros, so it's close to 20 million rands i-true value yakhe okwamanje. Asazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yakhipha malini, but ama-estimation athi yakhipha just over 10 million rands ukumbuyisa la eSouth Africa umfana. But-ke that's years later after ehambile kuBraga, not the time abamthathanga the time iKaizer Chiefs imfuna. Asimuveke ku-deal yacollapse bafethu, singeneni kwezinye. I mean this is 2019 bafethu, u-Ox Mthethwa bedlala eBergville. Imagine eBergville off-season tournament ngo-2019 bakwazi ukuyiwina, bedlala i-amateur football just 2019 u-Ox bafethu. Mbhekeni manje ukuthi ukuphi kuKaizer Chiefs. Yabona impilo yomuntu ngeke ngempela uyi-predict because of there was no naye mebuka kule moment le, I'm sure bekangacabanga ukuthi angafika kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu, bekangacabanga ukuthi angafika kuKaizer Chiefs. 2019 mawubheka phela u-Ox sekhulile. 2019 benangakhe because u-Ox namhlanje bafethu una-31 years old, so 2019 that was 6 years back, meaning that mena 25 u-Ox bekangakabi ne-team yaku-professional until waze wasana ngo-2020 wajoyina i-Royal Eagles, and then wadlala nje isikhathi esincane ku-Royal Eagles wajoyina i-Black Leopard. Black Leopard wadlala just over 2 seasons, and then wasayinwa iStellenbosch, manje kuKaizer Chiefs. So ku-professional setup futhi udlale ku-National First Division 2 years, 2 to 3 years, 2 years in fact, and then wasayinwa iStellenbosch 2022 2023, and then waya kuKaizer Chiefs kanjalo in just 4 seasons, in just 3 seasons. Amthathile lama 3 seasons ambeka kuKaizer Chiefs. Impilo yomuntu ngeke uyi-predict at all. Cabanga kuBetway Premiership ufike in 2022, that was 4 years back, bayana 26 or aya ku-27 meyiqala ukufika ukudlala laphana ku-professional setup. So congratulations to Ox Mthethwa, umuntu akalahlwa bafethu. After ama-performances wakhe a-good kakhulu laphana uStellenbosch baqala ukumnothisa nakuBafana Bafana bamselekta. So far udlalile nalaphana bafethu kuBafana Bafana. But-ke uma ulibheka igoli lakhe, irekhodi lakhe lamagoli u-Ox alikho good. But vele akusiwo umuntu oshaya amagoli laphana, uyi-anchor, umuntu o-protect i-defense. I-advance like into akwazi ukuyenza bafethu ukudefenda kakhulu. Okunye nokunye hhayi kuza ngemuva cause umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi adefende umfowethu. He's one of the standout performers of the season for iKaizer Chiefs manje. Straight from ebhuqwini, edustini yaseBergville to la khona namhlanje. Hhayi, kumele simshayele izandla umthetho bafethu. Impilo yakhe ivele ya-change fast overnight, unpredictable. That is why uma unikwe i-chance ukuthi udlale, whether udlala emakhaya or udlala kuphi, just give your all. You'll never know bafethu ukuthi ubani obukele, obhekile ngaleso sikhathi leso. And then they will see you bakuspothe from leyo moment leyo, and then so everything about you near change. You become one of the biggest stars in the country. All of a sudden, so udlalela iKaizer Chiefs nje, everything just kuwe laphana i-change-ile bafethu. So congratulations to Ox madoda. Aye. And then I want to move to this thing bafethu. Njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs they were committed, ngeke ngakhuluma ngayo, they were committed ukuthi badlale laphana ku-Prince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup, le dlalwa this weekend, ngeyi-16 November, just usuku olulodwa kuphela, dlala laphana Ulundi. So ama-organisers a-state-ile ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ibathumelela incwadi laphana esayiniwe u-chairman walaphana ku-P_S_L ukuthi ngeke bakwazi ukuza laphana. So incwadi kusho ukuthi ibuye ku-Dr. Khoza, esho ukuthi i-difficult decision ngempela, but-ke bekumele bayithathe ngoba-ke kunama-changes at least ama-international fixtures nekhalenda iyaklasha ne-fixture yakhona, or nale tournament Kaizer Chiefs okumele bayidlale. CAF Confederations Cup ama-group stages-ke Kaizer Chiefs njengoba baconclude-ile noma ngithi bawa-conduct-e during the week, i-draw-ke kusho ukuthi laphana ivele uthi ama-travelling logistics we-Kaizer Chiefs nama-preparation requirement aba ne-conflict with ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iye laphana e-KZN iyodlala. So yeah, bafuna ukuqhubeka-ke laphana ku-continent benze kahle, babe committed to i-continent. Yeah, usho kanjalo lana bafethu uDr. Khoza on behalf of i-Kaizer Chiefs, kusho ukuthi bebaxolisa laphana, bababonisa ukuthi ngeke basakwazi laphana as i-Kaizer Chiefs let's say to take part laphana e-KZN Ulundi. Peterson, asingeneni ko-goalkeeper bafethu laphana obhethwe Premiership abanama-clean sheets. Peterson unama-clean sheets awu-7, uSiposheni una-6, noRonwen Williams una-6, and then uDarren Kitty naye una-6, and then khona uDarren Johnson, and then una-5, and then uRicardo Goss una-5, uBrian Wire una-5 naye laphana. So but uPeterson-ke uyayilida laphana ipack yabo-goalkeeper abanama-clean sheets amaningi. Well, sasho namanje ukuthi abamselekthanga for iBafana Bafana, but is currently the number 1 goalkeeper in South Africa in terms of ama-clean sheets bafethu. Okay, I want to go to i-statement ashile emalangeni or weeks back ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ifuna ukulwa laphana ukuthi ifike ku-CAF Champions League, idlale nama-the best teams on the continent, and be amongst the best. So uthi bathi-ke i-star yinto, kusho ukuthi i-star bafethu ejezini le-Kaizer Chiefs into vele abayicabangayo, into kumele babe nayo, i-long term plan yabo ukuthi babe naso i-star laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So bathi I think wathi, because sokunesikhathi wayisho, wathi bafuna ukubuilda i-squad esikhulu esi-capable ukuthi si-compete laphana ku-biggest prize of i-African football, which is i-CAF Champions League. Kaze bazongena nini ku-CAF Champions League, and then mabathola i-chance bazokwazi ukukhompyutha baze bagcine kuphi, because of we remember ukuthi the last time when they competed they really went all out and bazama ngempela ukulwa. Unfortunately it was not meant to be, but yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs, whenever you cannot give i-Kaizer Chiefs i-opportunity ukuthi compete ku-continental level ukuthi uyiyeke, nizobhekana nenkinga cause i-team e-hungry somehow kuma-cup games i-unpredictable, or outside the league too unpredictable, you never know. But-ke they have to keep working and to keep dreaming, bakwazi ukufeza amaphupho wabo bafethu ukuthi badlale ku-continental level. They are playing with first step, they are playing second tie of i-continental level, they wanna go to the first one, which is i-CAF Champions League, la compete khona o-Al Ahly, o-Mamelodi Sundowns, yeah, ama-team nawo wabonayo. But yeah, sometimes obviously i-CAF football or i-continental football inzima. Sometimes even the big teams don't make it. We saw Orlando Pirates this competition or this year banokwa out i-team yase-Congo. So bona ukuthi bazoplana kanjani abe-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi bazokhompitha kanjani. uNgcobo Nkosi ngiphile Ngcobo upholeleke laphana emakhaya bafowethu, kupholiwe umfowethu because of babanike i-break. Ya siyambona lana ophezu kwehashi umfowethu laphana upholele. Indoda encane lena bafowethu eshadile kodwa well it's different what is doing for ku-football, around football, professional footballers, ukuthi izinto zakhe zi-structured in a way that zinesidima noma ngithi dignity, yabo. Uma umbuka or ubheka i-surrounding yakhe nale way enza ngakhona izinto, uyakwazi umbuka noma ukumbheka umhloniphe, usho ukuthi okay, uyakwazi ukuthatha iy'nqumo umfana omncane ezi-strong and then ezakhayo ukuthi akwazi ukushada emncane kangaka. Nanokuthi-ke is like is cultured ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi uwubani every off season or mabathola nje i-break ethe ukuba yinde, and then uyakwazi ukuyopholela le emakhaya bafowethu. Yeah, but they will be back just before i-month end. I-month end ba-prepare for well, in fact not before i-month end, ngeyi-22, 23 kula bazo-travela khona baye eGibhite bafowethu, noma ngithi eGibhite, e-Egypt la bazodlala khona ne-Al Masry. Kaizer Chiefs ijeni yabo izoqala maduze. Cela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukulike nisubscribe, simake sure bafethu ukuthi le page siyalikhulisa libe independent, libe strong. Singarely kwabanye abantu ukuthi bazothini bathini. Na we don't have to think about abanye abantu. Thina we just have to focus on building this page to be one of the best, to be the best page. Let's forget about it, to be just the best page. Whereas nama subscribers I 25,000, now be happy if we can get to 20,000 subscribers, but we'll see. Sibonga lokho esinako. I mean abantu about 13,000 something abasubscriber kule page daily. I don't take that for granted. Ngiyabonga kuwo wonke umuntu obukelayo, like hayo, commentayo, subscribe. Danko.